Hey, you already know what's cooking. Birthday dinner, Barbie fried pork chops, delicious rice and peas, sliced fish, mashed potato, and steamed veg. Let's get going. I have some green seasoning here on my pork, adding some Maggi seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, jerk seasoning. Now me I go massaging them seasoning in it and just cover it up, put it in the fridge cause tomorrow morning is the big day. So now me I add some pepper, scallion and thyme, garlic, ginger, some cloves to some water, and I am going to boil the pork. When the water start boil, then I just put in my pork and boil it down for about 2 hours. This a pork get tough on the backside, but I did boil it, and when it dry down, listen, you don't want to boil your pork and make it in a whole heap of water. You just want to cook it down, go straight down to gravy. Then you add more water to it again because you want the season to stay on the meat. If you boil it not too much water, then you're going to dash your whole season down. So that is it. Cook it down to gravy just like that. It not cooked, so I add some more water to it and cook it again. This is it, nice and tender. May I put some peas over this so we are soaked from last night. Drop in 2 cloves of garlic. I'm now preparing my mashed potato. Dice them up, put them for boil. Mashed potato done boil now. May I add in some mixed vegetable at the last minute. I'm now frying my sliced fish. Adding some mayo to my mashed potato and some parsley flakes. Hey, mashed potato nice man. And look on the fish, how it just pretty. Hey, this dinner was so delicious. It's now time to fry the pork chops. After them done boil, you know, say a time for fry them. Because them done tender already, we just get them nice and crispy. Guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for the support. I'm now turning the pork. You see how them nice and crispy and tender? Beautiful. I'm going to add some barbecue sauce onto the pork after I take it out of the hot oil, of course. No, I'm going to put it in the air fryer for just a couple minutes to let the barbecue sauce just soak in and marinate, and that's the beautiful plate. Look at that. That's so delicious, guys. Barbie fried pork chops is the way to go.